yeah, it turned out to be the engine is just completely blown.
It's definitely getting really tough. So, raw realities of van life. We are currently at AutoZone. We are having throttle issues when we were coming back from Guadalupe Mountains yesterday. So we are putting some coolant in it currently and going to take it half a mile down the road to a shop and hopefully get some things checked out and cleared up from there so we can get back on the road. So our van needs a hose replacement for the coolant. That's what it was. So the shop is in there behind me. We're actually just staying in their yard tonight. They were kind enough to let us stay here, and then we're gonna bring it right over into their shop tomorrow to get it fixed. So tonight, this is our campsite. Sometime this is what van life looks like. Tell us about it.
Well, we are in a big, gigantic car repair shop area. But we did get some nice pizza from Domino's. Actually got a lot more toppings than normal.
Pizza and a movie in an auto car shop's parking lot.
Yeah, it turned out to be the engine is just completely blown.
Day three, I think three, of being in the parking lot of the auto shop.
Here we are on day 4 of our confinement here in Alcatraz. Tried looking for some rental cars the last few days. Kind of like hotels, it's a big oil town, lots of conventions here, so a lot of those are taken up by those. As you can see out here, they haven't let us out in the yard yet for the day. We have Mel in here making us some lasagna on the Instant Pot. Found it on the Facebook page, which is probably top 3 Facebook pages, the Instant Pot page. Things like one of those Star Trek things where you just basically tell it what you want and it comes out.
We came to a river walk park downtown Carlsbad to get a little bit out of the heat that was occurring in the van from being out in direct sunlight. So we're down here on our cycle boards, hence my goofy helmet. Day 5 of being stranded in a little small town, Carlsbad, where we can't even rent a car. They're all sold out. So we are here on day 5, getting a little more to the frustrated side now and over it. Going to get a hotel tonight because it's going to be 91. It's already high 80s right now at 11 in the morning. That's day 5. Just put some laundry in at the hotel and we are walking to Walmart. It's about half a mile away. And I have the best husband ever because he gave me his hat because I forgot mine. And it is 90 degrees out, sunny. Day 6 of being stranded in Carlsbad. Well, as you can see, we are not in the van. It hit 91 degrees yesterday, so we got this hotel like I had mentioned yesterday. Day 7 of being stranded. Looks like in the past 24 hours, it hit 100 degrees in here. So I'm glad we got a hotel. It's really definitely getting to us. being here stranded in the parking lot or yard of the shop. They've been so kind to let us stay here, but when it's out baking out in the sun, no trees, hit 90, 95 something today. It was 91 in the van. It's definitely getting really tough. We're hoping that they get the motor. They said it might come tomorrow, so fingers crossed that it comes tomorrow, not Friday. And they're gonna have someone, I believe, jump on it Thursday. And they said hope to have it done Monday. They're not sure if the guy's gonna work out over the weekend, but if he does, hopefully to get us out of here by Monday. So it's Tuesday today, so we still got a little ways. Still got a little ways to go. That's update. It's day 7 again. Day 8 of being stranded. We got to find out this morning that our motor is hopefully on its way. So we will be going to a hotel either tonight or tomorrow, depending on when they are able to start on that. I believe it will probably be tomorrow. So I'm getting prepared some meals since we won't be able to cook in the hotel very well. So I've got stir fry going, and then also I have some chicken Alfredo. We'll also bring some sandwiches and probably stop by the grocery store to get a few other things. So that's day 8. We are at the shop right now still. It's about 8 o'clock on day 8, but look at this sunset. It is absolutely incredible. And if I turn around here, you can actually see a rainbow as well, right there. Beautiful evening out tonight. Yes, we are in the yard of the auto shop, but can it get more beautiful than that? Day 9 in Carlsbad.
Day 10 here in Carlsbad confinement. We woke up at 6:30 this morning to get to the shop at 7 so that they could get our van in. Sat in their lobby for a couple hours, watched a little Netflix, and they were nice enough for them to drive us over to our stay again here at Stevens Inn, and they got us checked in a couple hours early.
Day 11 at the auto repair shop. The van's still in the shop. They are finishing up. They had a fuel line leak, another oil leak, and some more things that they've been working on. They hope to have it done in another hour or two, hopefully. So fingers crossed that they get it all finished up.
We'll head on over then.
It is now 5 o'clock and we just got the van. We're gonna stick around the area still for a couple more days to make sure everything is gonna work correctly on it, and we're hopeful that it does work. So they thought they were gonna get done around 11 or noon today, but it is now 5. We are here at our campsite for a couple of nights. The view right there. The van was still clicking a little, so we might be bringing it back in on Monday and having them have a double check on it. What's a double check? We're gonna bring the van in on Monday to have them check it out and see that it looks good. Day 12. Look where we are. Not happy about it. Morning, day 13. Still here. Day 14, and we were at the auto shop for about 5 hours this morning. Changed some O-rings on the fuel injectors and sent us on our way. We're hanging out around the area to make sure everything's all right with the van. It's our campsite for the night.
After staying in the area a couple days, the van seemed to be performing well, so we decided to head out for Santa Fe, New Mexico. Thanks again to Bobcat Auto in Carlsbad for the hospitality and getting us in on such short notice. Can't say the same for Ram customer service though.